Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 5B, essay about student-posed obstacles to student success, 120 points, 1,000 words. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links for you to click on. We have a part 1 and we have a part 2. We have a works cited with the articles listed that we read and discussed last week for this essay. We also have some help you can check out with Modern Language Association MLA 8th edition format, and it's all right here. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up in the assignment, and I'm going to click on one of these links, the due dates, which are important. Canvas, as you know, allows me to post only one due date in modules. For convenience, I always post the end of the week on Sunday. But we have our part 1, post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. So we do have different due dates. If you think you're going to be late with this assignment, I do accept late assignments, as you know, but I need you to communicate with me first. Tell me what's up, and let me figure out if I can help you in any way, if you need my help. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. I'm back into the assignment, and I'm going to read part 1 with you. For a targeted reader group of your choice, teachers, students, parents, administrators, politicians, 1, write a 3 to 4 page essay, 750 to 1,000 words, in which you make a contention, an argument, a claim about how student success is affected by a student's self-concept. And what is a student's self-concept? What is anybody's self-concept? We all have a self-concept. So a self-concept is the mental image one has of oneself, how one perceives oneself. Okay, so I'm going to go back into our assignment, and I have a question here for you, beginning with a big Does society influence a person's self-concept for better or worse? And this is something to think about. When we read Carol S. Dweck's article, Brainology, we learned about the fixed and growth mindsets. But is a student the only one who encourages him or herself to have a fixed or growth mindset? Does society sometimes give us this message? And is it because of what Devon Price writes about in her article, Laziness Does Not Exist? Do we have situational constraints in our context that might give us this fixed mindset that Dweck writes about in Brainology? Is Dweck too simplistic in how she thinks a fixed and growth mindset occur? So that's just a little question I have for you here in my Does society influence a person's self-concept for better or worse? Okay. Number 2 in these directions, support your thesis for a persuasive purpose. Something that you want to persuade readers must be done in order to prevent students from becoming obstacles to their own success. In other words, write an essay with a rhetorical focus. If you do not know what a rhetorical focus is, please view the video below, and I've included this YouTube video I made here in this assignment for you again. Okay, moving down, let's go to part 2. Part 2, evaluate 2 peers' essays. Click here for directions. Okay, so here are the directions right here. And we can see that we have 7 questions that you need to ask and answer about 2 peers' essays. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow. I'm back into the assignment. Because we're dealing with the self-concept, I think my SpongeBob image here makes sense. SpongeBob looking into the mirror. When we look into the mirror, what do we see? And how does this affect us when we're in the learning process? Okay, how big of a role does our self-concept play? All right, as always, I'm available to you in inbox. You're never, ever emailing me too much. Never, ever apologize for emailing me. I care about your learning, and email me as many times as you need to until an assignment is clear. Okay, let's have a good week.